Welcome back to our channel. Today, I have an exciting update from Google that will significantly impact businesses using Google Shopping ads and free listings. In a recent announcement, Google revealed a change in the policy regarding COVID-19 related terms. So let's dive right in. Google recently made a momentous decision affecting how businesses can advertise and list COVID-19 related products on their platform. Starting from June 2023, the Google Merchant Center policy will no longer restrict the listing of COVID-19 related terms for Google Shopping ads and free listings. Google stated they would be removing restrictions on coronavirus-related content as part of their sensitive events policy update. This means that shopping ads and free listings containing COVID-19 related terms will no longer face any restrictions. Additionally, approval via legal script or Project N95 will no longer be required. This policy change will specifically impact shopping ads and free listings for various COVID-related products, such as face masks, vaccines, and other relevant items. It is worth noting that this restriction was initially added to the policy back in July 2020, a few months after COVID-19 was declared a public health emergency. However, Google emphasized that while COVID-19 related content will no longer be restricted under this new policy change, it will still be subject to other shopping policies. These policies, including the misrepresentation policy, aim to prohibit content that may harm users and the overall shopping ecosystem. And that's a wrap on this important update from Google. As of June 2023, businesses can now freely advertise and list COVID-19 related products on Google Shopping ads and free listings without facing any restrictions. However, it is important to remember that other shopping policies still apply to ensure a safe and reliable shopping experience. If you found this information valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.